Kamiq is the new mainstream city SUV from Skoda. It's the third member of Skoda SUV family carrying over the design from Kodiaq and Karoq. The interior is spacious, and the trunk volume offers 463 liters, which can be increased with folded seats to 1,510 liters. Its environmentally friendly 1.5-liter engine and Tiptronic gearbox will need 6 liters of consumption per 100 kilometers on the average. The Kamiq is fitted with an 8-inch screen and the newly developed intelligent online connection system with Flytech AI voice recognition.